What are the 5 ways to resolve your criminal case in federal court? The first way, and I'm here to tell you, I'm yet to have this happen post-charge, is an outright dismissal. For whatever reason, the prosecutor will either go to the court or the defense attorney will make a motion to the court to dismiss the case. And if you're successful, your case ends right then and there. The second way to resolve your case in federal court is either a deferred prosecution or a non-prosecution agreement. This typically involves an application from your attorney to the U.S. attorney asking for them to either give you what's called a deferred prosecution, meaning if you stay out of trouble for however long, at the end of that time period, your case is being dismissed, or a non-prosecution, which is when the prosecutor agrees not to prosecute you for the case. The third way to resolve your case in federal court is through a plea agreement, and typically it's heavily negotiated between your counsel and the U.S. Attorney's Office. The fourth way to resolve your case in federal court is through what's called a cooperation agreement. So it's a plea agreement, except it's not just a straight up plea agreement, it's also you agreeing to work with the prosecution to help law enforcement apprehend others. It's when you cooperate with the hope of trying to get a 5K 1.1 letter or a 3553E motion that gets rid of the mandatory minimum on your case. And the fifth way to resolve your case in federal court, and this is my favorite, it's when you go to trial. And trial is either a trial with a judge or a trial with a jury, but ultimately your attorney tries to convince the finder of fact that the evidence against you does not reach the burden of proof that the prosecutor has to meet, which is beyond a reasonable doubt.